right, who do we have here today?
Christine.
Christine, what are we doing?
It's my 48th birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
If we don't make it to 49, what are we gonna say to friends and family?
I love you all. Miss you.
Yeah. Any last words, final comments, confessions for you? In case we don't make it?
It's worth it.
For me, it's always the same. Take the computer, the tablet, the phone, burn it all, bury it in the desert. The wife can have the rest of it. Let's go rock a Skydive, have some fun. High five?
Right. High five.
High five? Let's go rock this out, ladies. Woohoo! All right, this is the Armageddon walk, ladies. You ready to get in, get up, get out of this airplane, go have some fun in the sky? Holy cow, y'all are nuts. Woo! That's perfect. Hopefully we make it to the next one. High five. High five. Here we go. Woo! What do you think of this, huh?
That was beautiful.
You did great. You have fun?
I did.
Pull that right one down. Look at the camera. Woo! You want to do another one?
Yeah.
Pull left one all the way down as hard as it'll go. See all the mountains out there? The Sagretti Crystal.
It's beautiful out here. I wonder why you do it all the time.
Right.
That was
Next time you come back, I'll let you play with my balls. You can open the parachute, okay? High five. Happy birthday. Woo! Skydive Colorado Springs. Woo-hoo!